So, what's the answer for this one? Option B. Right, so go for the next one. కూర్చోరా బాబు నువ్వు కూర్చో నేను నిలబడమని వద్దంటే క్లాస్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపో సో హియర్ ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ okay we have square box fine now we need to focus on row wise or column wise that's the logic right okay and check it out okay what can be possible is it row wise or column wise which can be the suitable one it is figure matrix the concept is figure matrix concept is and we have couple of options. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. We have six. In fact, here they given five, but generally six options also they are asking. So see that. What's your logic? You can see row wise or column wise, no problem. But there is some logic happening. You need to understand what is that. Square box, okay, that everybody understand, fine. But what about that circles? Circles place, we need to check it out. Right side, what can be? So what's your answer? Even if you have not done, please let me know. Option A. Somebody said option A, somebody said option C. D. D for Delhi. E. A. C. Okay, okay. Fine, we'll check. Okay, what's your logic for C? Somebody said C, somebody said A, somebody said E. So what's your logic here, please? Square box, then numbers you focus that elements which is outside. How many elements? We have 5 elements there, then center one, then 4 elements outside. Here 4, 2, then we got 6. Or you see vertically we have 5, 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Next one. Which elements you are, which position you are adding? That's important. Here 4 plus 1. This one adding first one. Okay, what about this next try? Next row. No, you cannot add just like that any place, no? Some people are saying, sir, here 4, 4 plus 2, 6, sir. Here 1, 1 plus 4, 5, sir. You add it just like that is not okay, right? Okay, here 4, sir, here 5, sir. Here 1 required, sir. 4 plus 1, middle one, 5, sir. That's how your friends are giving the logic. Yes, sir? Sir? Sum of bit louder. Sum of outside minus sum of inside you are calling about. Yes. Fine, that's what we can check it out. That's one logic which will vary. Outside minus inside. The difference. First one outside 5, inside 1. Out minus in is okay 4. That to outside more. Outside more. So I have to go 4 outside only because outside more elements. Next one, as all are outside they are adding. There is no inside one, no, they are adding. So which is equal to 6, all 6 is outside. Whereas here 4 outside, 5 inside. Difference is 1 and more elements is in inside. So difference should be always positive. Don't say minus 1. So one element we require inside. So the difference logic that to out and in Fine, it's not about number of elements. We can say about out and inside. So with that logic, one inside is option A. The suitable one, better one is that. Okay, outside elements minus inside elements. First row or first column, second column. First row column plus second column, third column. Where that's what the result. Out and in, 5 out, 1 inning, 4 out. This is 4 out, 2 out, 6 out. Outside. Here 4 outside, 5 inside. The difference is 1 inside. So you can check in that way. Right. So the next one. Here option A. Okay. Fine. So one logic which will very simply applicable everywhere is if you see the entire row, there are two things common. If you see the entire row, there are two things common. Okay, people are going in that logic also now. This entire row, two things common. It should be vertical one or horizontal one like this. But wait. Okay, so half of this, not full. As per that basic logic, some people are simply climbing like, sir, two same symbols required. Two same symbols required. It's available in two here, two here. Now again, two same requirements, one down or two like this. So that one is not available everywhere, not available anywhere. So we should go with that option A, sir. They want two elements, one at least common property here and there is two elements must be common. Two common elements exist. Two common elements exist so that we can observe only in option A. Next, I think this is very easy for everybody. So what is happening here in this question? Yes, for this rectangle shape, above and below they'll put this circle. This is what cylinder came, right? So for this shape, they put the bottom like this. Now we need, okay, for this shape below like this. So which option? It's not option A, not option B. We want triangle below. Is it option C or option F? F. Right. So bottom should be triangle. Why F sir? Why not C? Bottom triangle in C bottom is square. Okay, middle one should be in the bottom. Middle column must be in the bottom. So you can observe this is the bottom. This is in top as well as bottom also. That's in three dimensions. It's not appearing. Right. Next one here. Row wise or column wise both. No, so I'll just minimize and so that you can, yeah. First, if you see the position wise, okay, it's in vertical, then it can be 45 degrees or 135 degrees inclined, then horizontal, fine. But guys, one thing you just check it out, listen. For initial position, if you see column wise or row wise, this one, okay, vertical, this one perpendicular, opposite, right? Vertical become horizontal. This is left side inclined, this is okay, opposite came. Now there is in between some change happened. Here horizontal, we need vertical. We need vertical. Vertical, how many available? There are couple of options which is in vertical. C available, A, C and E. Now we need to think about the dot position. Dot. So dot is here in the bottom, then it went to middle, still in the middle only. Here, bottom, middle, fine. Here it is in the bottom. Next should be in the bottom right. See, we know that simple logic. Next to two same position only it's following. Two times same position should follow. It's already changed here. Definitely now vertically, and that circle should be in the bottom. Two times that circle or the dot is following same position. Here we can observe bottom, bottom. Here middle, middle. Here middle to bottom came. Next it should maintain in the middle. Option A is correct. Among given options, A is correct. Figure matrix related stuff. Now, what about this question? What is the logic? Which is adding of first and second. Okay, good. If this is A, this is B, this is C diagram, C equal to A plus B. Here P, Q, R equal to P plus Q. We can see that first diagram plus second diagram addition is your result. Now, this must be there. And as per first diagram, this must be there. So, this is available in which option? Is A. See, here we are adding both. Some questions we need to subtract common thing. There are other questions, logics where it's common, anything in first two diagrams, they remove and keep it in next one. Common thing will be removed. But here this is not that case, but simply they are adding. A and B adding C. First two elements added, third one obtained. That's logic. But some questions, common things removed also will happen. We'll check it out all those. So what about this one? For this, see for this, okay, this is the result. This is actually water image. What is water image concept? Bottom will go to top, top will come to bottom. Right will be right only. Arrow mark symbol in which side? Arrow mark symbol which side? Right side, right? This is actually bottom right. It went to top right side. So bottom will become top. Right will be in right only. In water image, right will be in the right side, left will be in the left side. If you have a doubt, just stand beside the water, raise your right hand, it will show in right side only. But in mirror, if you raise your right side, right hand, it will show in left side. So that you can clearly observe. That's what in water image your top and bottom change, but left and right remains same. So that's what next. What is next one, sir? Here to here, this is mirror image. Here water image, then mirror image. What is mirror image concept? See, this is the diagram. For this, if you apply mirror image, in mirror image, what is the concept? Your left will become right, your right will become left. Okay, now observe, this is in top right side, it is in top left side. Top is in top only. In mirror, we can see head in above place only, legs below only in mirror. Okay, but your right will show as left, your left will show as right. That's what arrow is in right side, but is showing in left side. Now, if you apply that, okay, this is water image. Now, you should apply mirror image. So, arrow will be towards arrow left side, bottom left, now bottom right only. First water image, then mirror image. So, we'll go with option E. 6 options they are giving, we have to be careful. Mirror image, water image for the given diagrams here. First they applied water image, then they are applying mirror image. Check it out in the row wise. You have to focus on row wise operation. Water image, then mirror image is happening. Next one. What is here? Right, so 3, 4, 5. We can see there is a common C. This is a triangle, square, then pentagon. Right, so 3, 4, 5. Outside things. Common is circle. Guys, common, circle is common in every diagram. But number of sides are 3, 4. 5. Okay. One is outer, one is inner, again outer. Likewise, fine. Here, outer, inner, outer. Outer is what? How many? 4. Inner, 5. Outer, 3. Here, outer, 5. Inner, next should be outer. So we need a square outside. Square outside. And that should be shaded. Inside one should be unshaded. Square outside. Okay, square should be outside. So square outside. It's available in E so far. We have to check is there any other option. C also. That's what. Okay. Yeah, fine. And sir, among C and E, which one, sir? Outside shading required C is correct. E eliminated, C correct because sir, why? Only very thing here is shading part check. Right, so why we went for option C here? That's what we mentioned shading part. We need to worry about that shading part. Right, see, this is first and last one similar. This is outside shading. Shading is required. Here no shading outside. Here outside shading is required. So shading is here. What is the internal shape? I am not worrying about. In fact, internally also if you observe, okay, they given here all circle fine, but here hexagon, circle, they are changing here and there. Fine. So it can be internally whatever it might be. We're not worrying much, but problem is that in shading part. E is not outside shaded. In C, outside shading is happened. So the best suitable among all options is C here. Now let's move for the next one. See, they may give some new questions also. You should be ready what type of logics to handle. Now here guys, this is what a question where, see this shape, okay, now if you focus on these two diagrams, that row wise or column wise you focus, most of the questions you can see in row wise to understand in a better way. Yeah, now if you see row wise you focus. See, actually there is some redrawing time, it is some mistake, but let me draw the correct one. So first one, okay, dot and one line, but second one is, guys, listen. There is a small mistake in the diagram. Those lines should be like this. Last one, see middle one, it is cross. These lines are cross, but it should be vertical, and this is a horizontal. While drawing, it is a mistake. Here also same actually. While redrawing, there is some mistakes happen. Wait. I'm giving you the exact question. Now I think with these inputs, what were I given are two column, two rows. You can get the idea. So what is here? Guys, listen. The common things in both of is C. Let us say this is A, this is B. C is nothing but common in A and B. Common area in both A and B. C is common area of A and B, which is common in both. You can observe this area available here, this area available here, here also this is available, this is available, this is available. What about other lines, sir? This horizontal line here, there, here not there. Below bottom line here available, here not available. Common in both is what last one. So now I hope you can understand this is horizontal line, this is cross line, this is vertical line, this is cross line. Now what is common in these two? This lines, is it? This lines, is this okay? Right, so this one slant line, again one more, and here. There is small mistake while redrawing, so you can see which among this is perfectly matching. So option B. So logic as mentioned, so common of A and B. Sometimes common removed, guys listen, sometimes common part removed, rest will be added. Remaining thing they are adding, common part removed, remaining they are adding. There are plenty of logics what they are playing. So kindly focus on those type of logics. Right. So see the next one. Here, yeah, that line, horizontal line is moving one place above. Right. So already here at the bottom means previously it should be at the top. Three dots above horizontal line available here. Because that horizontal line it's moving a step one step above. When it reaches top, next should be bottom. Okay, you can see that place. So we need that. Okay, it's not A, B, E. We have to see that in option C. That line should be in the topmost place. C is correct. Next one, fine. See the outline shape is same, but here vertical lines are converted to horizontally. Horizontal converted to here vertical should convert to outside shape. Outside shape must be hexagon, and we need lines. We need lines in horizontal. Right. So not vertical. We need horizontal. Not one line. Guys, is it C or D? D is correct, not C, because in fact if you count, double that is available. If you count double that here, how many vertical lines? Three. But you listen, one, two, three, four, five. Here, six are available. Here in this middle one, I think again while redrawing, they did wrong, but at least we can sense more lines are kept. When it is double or what it may be, more lines. They kept more lines there, not same count, not same count. Here four, not four. Okay, we need more than that. Here only three are given, right? At least see, they're given four lines, but here three lines only you kept. It's more than that, right? So in D at least we can sense it. More lines are added. Next one, right side incline, left incline, then down. Okay, angles also you focus. First and last are colors. Good. Okay, they're given in opposite, right? Here in middle one you cannot understand. See the first one. Small one unshaded. Here small one shaded. Right. Here, okay, half shaded. Here half shaded. That's opposite thing required. Guys, listen. What is happening? It going to the corners. It went to this corner. Next diagram, this corner. Next diagram. So you need small shape here, big one here. Small should be in this side. So first we'll check that. Small towards that corner. No, not this. Not this one. Not this one. Small ones towards south east. Only available C. Very simple. C is my answer. Why, sir? You observe everywhere. What is happening? It's going anti-clockwise. See, here also you observe. First time here. Second diagram, small one here. Third diagram, small one here. I'm saying 1, 2, 3. Next diagram, as this square, you may not differentiate properly. This is what I'm doing. Here 1, here at 2, here it is at 3. 1, 2, 3. So small one should be in this corner. What about shading, sir? First one opposite. First one here all how many parts are unpainted? Here, how many unpainted? How many slots unpainted in this? 3 slots are unpainted, 1 slot painted. Now reverse. 1 painted, 1 unpainted, 3 painted. Here, how many slots are painted in this? Half circle painted. So now remaining half paint this one. See, now you just set the colors also opposite to this. See, finally what will happen now? This corner will go to that corner comes to this corner, opposite. Colors opposite. Here one part shaded, 3 unshaded. Here one shade, 3 unshaded. Here half of, here also half of, no worries. Option C, perfectly suitable. Now next one. Sir? C, okay. So here, what is available, or maybe if you see the logic, here they given into diagonally, minus diagonally, plus diagonal, right? Whereas here into this diagonal, minus this diagonal, plus this diagonal. Now here into this diagonal, minus this diagonal, next should be plus in these two diagonals. Plus in these two diagonals. Next one, what should be here? What should be top left? Already what came? Minus came, plus came. Here it should be into. Top left already minus occurred, plus occurred, now into mark required. And this bottom right side minus. So diagonally plus, top left into, bottom right minus. You observe that this place 3 different into mark, minus, plus, 3 different minus, plus, into mark. You can see 3 different required. So plus diagonally into option C. In fact, with plus, many people went with option C because diagonally we need plus symbol that's available in C. Okay, good. Sir. What about next one? Here you need to count that dots, dear. Dots you need to help. There's one more thing. This is in right side. Here it is in left side. Now here in right. Next. Next. Here. Right here. Here we need right side. Okay. Next, count. 1 dot, 2 dots. This is 1 plus 2, 3. Here, how many dots? 5. Here, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. See, in this one, if you people are confusing with last one, what they given? No. Dots, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, that bottom people are confusing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 dot here. 13 only count is 4, 4, 4. Last one dot at the bottom. Maybe that printing you may not see it properly, but that is 13 count. Now, what is the count in this one? 6, 6, 6, 18 plus 3, 21. Next one here, 7, 28, 28, so 35 minus 1, 34. We need 55 with right side inclined. We need number 55 with right side available in option A. First of all, count and in fact right side. The dots counting. We need to count the dots. Some additional question. This is there in your booklet, right? Okay. Because I added some extra questions. Fine. So now let's focus on this one. Fine. So if you observe, okay, let's say this is A here, A here, A here. Let's say this is B. You observe the positions because both are same circles, you may confuse. A available, B. I'm writing like A, B, A, B. You can understand the positions clearly. Now this is like A, this is like B. Here A, here B. Next should be horizontally A and B. Right. So 2 in the above, it's available in plenty of options. So like we have A, C, F also. We need to see about arrow. How arrow is behaving. Arrow is in the middle, then went to left side, then right side. When you go for left, next should be right hand. Now here left side, middle, then still middle only. Okay, but this is middle, left, right. Here also middle, fine. Now right, middle, next preferable is left side actually. It should go one position left or right, that is free. So when you go for that, option A, it's not a problem with whether it is C or A. There is a dilemma. Guys, listen. Problem for this question whether it is A or C is a dilemma. Because some people will argue, as per second row, sir, middle 2 times came. But as per first row, every time it is changing middle, then left, then right. Then again middle, left, right, like that. It should keep moving. I think there is a mistake in the question, but the right logic will go with A only actually. That position keeps changing. Why, sir? You observe that circles are keep changing. So there is a ambiguity in the question, but you can observe circle moving everywhere. Arrow also should move everywhere. That middle row, that may be a mistake, but if you observe first and last, it's perfectly synced. We can go best suitable among options A and C. We have a dilemma whether it is A's or maybe we have a dilemma with other option. But best suitable out of all this is A. Instead of A and C, A is best suitable. And this is the easy one. Row wise, we need different numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, like that, if you go here, we need to make sure different numbers. Already 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 available, right? So 3, 2, and okay. 9 here occurred again. Not okay with that. Fine. So if you observe this question, they given different options. Fine. And in fact, it's not like Geo Studio challenge also because okay, if you see the row wise here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, okay. But next one they given 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 only. It's not like row wise, but the box, one box should have 1 to 9 numbers. That's the only thing they followed so far. You can observe or focus here. Okay, in middle one, fine, at least 7, 8, 9, they use 8, 7, and 9, 7, 8. Same 3 digits they repeated, likewise, fine, not an issue. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, all those fine. Okay. But now we need what can be filled in this slot. 1 to 9 required, okay, but what we can fill that. So what's the best suitable option? Option A. Why so? Why? Pattern should be, if you see first column, fine. First column, here 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also. Here 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 7, 8, and okay, first row. First row, maintain that. But in second row, it's not the same. Column. Okay, column is 852, 852, 0.582. Okay, fine. Column wise or row wise. Okay, fine, good. So we need that column should be 714. That's what the logic. The digits shuffled way. If you observe the column, every column is having what is that? 741 or here 741 or 714. What it maybe that column required those numbers. You see 147. They use 147 in the column. Other one is 852, 852, 852. Fine. So column wise 741, 852. Likewise, you can check it out. So 741 or 174. See everywhere 714, 174 only. 285 similar one only. Every option using similar things. 174, 147, fine, but what else? How? Yeah, you are saying option A, but what's the logic? Here 741, 741, okay. But last column, last row, if in column wise you people are talking about, if you see column wise, nothing fixed, right? Here 147, 417, 714, it's varied. 777, okay. But here 741, 471. Yeah. Other logic? 9, 987 in the last column. Okay. Row wise you are talking about. Fine. So we need to focus on row wise also. 789 should be in the same row. Okay. That's only one. Okay. This will be eliminated because of that. Perfect. So if you observe 789 must be in the same row. This is not in the same row. Here it is in the same row. So only one option eliminated because of 789. Right. So what is the other option? 789. Here also 789. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It cannot. Only one eliminated now. If that is the case. With 789 only one eliminated. Ninth or equal to 9 to 1 sequence. Okay. But okay, fine. If you are saying 9 to 1, why I am questioning? Because if you see first row, second row you observe. In second row, what is that? 789, 879, 978. Yes, madam. Extend. Rows are exchanged. First column, first row. Okay, 4, 5, 6 are exchanged to position. Okay, fine. Agreed. If you go for row, this 4 by 6 went here, then shuffle here. But second row, I'm okay. Column changed. Fine. Column is exchanged. So fine, good. Okay, this is what finally see simple question it looks like, but there are points we can learn. So finally we can go with which option here? Option A. Fine. So the logic what your friends conveyed, and finally we go to the point is like, sir, if we go for first row and next one in column wise, columns are exchanged, whereas first one rows are exchanged. See here, row 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 likewise, whereas here column 852, 852, 852. Rows maintained in first one, rows are okay, just shuffle. In second one, columns are shuffled. Now, here row or column should be shuffled. Either in any case, it should be like maybe. Okay, fine. Now, here row 987, 987. So we need to maintain row as 987 only. So 987 available in okay bottom. Fine. So here also all three places no 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fine 987. Then it should be 654. 3 to 1. 987 not here. This is eliminated because 987 is not there. This is eliminated because 987 is not there. Now, among A, B, and C, 987 already occurred in first row. Okay, this is eliminated. 3 to 1 already occurred in bottom. Okay, it can be top or both cases. Okay, fine. Is it? Yeah, fine. That suitable is option A. Okay. 654 already came in the middle, so we are going with that option. Row wise or column wise we are making up. Now I added some extra questions. Some extra questions are added, recent ones. Wait. You focus now, you people will focus because this is not there in the booklet. Wait. Yeah, now you observe what might be your answer. You see what is happening in those row wise, better row wise you go. Row wise, what is missed here? This dot is removed. That one diagonally removed. Here, this one removed first. Next, this is removed. Middle one shading, right one is unshaded. First column, last column, unshaded, middle one only shaded. And here also diagonally, first they removed this. First they removed this, right? Okay, these two removed. Next time, these two removed. Okay. Now here, what can be the case? So this entire removed. Options I'll show. There you go, options like this. These are the options. First thing we need, okay, no dots, no shading parts. Shading parts are not okay. Fine. So here we already removed how much? First here one removed, then one removed. Here two removed, two removed. Here first how many removed? Three elements removed. Next also we need to remove three. Finally only one circle required. Position let it be. We want only one. Okay. Here how many? Three. Not okay. We want two. Not okay. Next one element. Okay. That's the of six options they are giving. That to see. First they removed this layer. Next they removed. So bottom is correct. 3 and 3. So they are removed and finally they get it in bottom. That's the only option available. Right. So see the next one. Removing number of elements must be equal. With one dot only one option available. Next one. Okay. Fine. So heads. See the heads. One is triangle. One is like a okay. Fine. A circle or something like you consider like that. Okay, fine. So here what should be the top? Square. Okay. So this is out. This is out. Square should be top. Legs. Legs. Focus on legs. Legs here are dot, arrow, circle. So here also now we need legs should be circle model. So this is also eliminated. Now body, rectangle, all those. So we need now skeleton model. So simple line. So which option? We have six options generally they are giving. So focus on. Next one. Logics, similar logics we already discussed. Fine, I can eliminate this option directly because outside should be plain thing. Guys, if you see the first row, how many times rectangle came? First row. Rectangle how many times? Triangle, circle. Second row also you observe rectangle two times, triangle two times, circle two times. Now last. Rectangle came two times. Okay. And in fact, one outside should be circle. Outside triangle out, outside rectangle completed now. Outside should be circle inside. That too, triangle should be shaded or unshaded? Shaded. So circle inside triangle shaded. Below this. There is still option. That's what the problem. So it's not this one. I think this similar to that replica. Okay. We have options, six options here. I displayed only I think five. There is one more option. Six options in Mettl platform. Other platforms they are giving four. In Mettl, you have question left side, right side like this. In fact, I'll show. Okay. So what about this question answer? I think it's visible. You see that first one part removed, then One more. So this part is removed first. Okay, then they remove the other part. So this one gone, this one gone. So two parts removed. Here they already one part removed. This is 3, 2, 1. Here I can say 8 parts. It becomes 7. Sorry, it's not 8. Okay, we have only 6. 6, 5, 4. So last one should be 4, 3. It should be 2 parts. That two, okay, now problem 2 parts, okay. That is covering half of the square area. This is not the answer, this is not the answer, this is not the answer. But now among these two, which one? That's the problem. If you observe first column, last column, similar shape. In that hexagon, first column, last column, similar shape. In middle one, it went to some 90 degrees rotation something, but finally it should come to the same shape. Here, it should be like a this shape. Among these, two parts are gone. Okay, then still half part also we will get in this shape. We don't get this shape because it's like this shape, right? So half part gone, fine, let it be. Half part below. So suitable is this one, not this diagram. Okay, it's not this part where half is gone. No, the shape is like this. Half part gone, below should be like this. So I'm not talking about any 90 degrees angles and all. It's very simple part I'm mentioning. What about this one? First shape, A plus B equal to C. Adding those two, right. We need, okay, I think this is the option, no need to specify. This is the option, right? We need a square, right side, half quarter part of circle, right? And this quarter part of rhombus shape, all those parts. So adding first to last one will come, right? So they given this for you in Accenture. Fine, easy question. Amit's father has 4 children, so 3 names given. As I mentioned, Amit's father, we need to go for Amit. See what they are giving us some questions like, okay, Amit's father has 4 children. One is ABC, then other one, let us see, the other one is EFG, other one is IJK. What is next means? A lot of people will think about, sir, ABC, D removed EFG. H removed IJK, L removed M and O, but answer will be Amit only. They are giving logic like this type of question. Here, okay, Shruti, Anant and Anant means people will get the idea. What is fourth one? But they'll give like Amit father has 4 children, A, B, C, E, F, G, I, J, K. Then we'll think, okay, this letter is having some logic. We'll think in that logic, but question answer is Amit only. Already one person is there, right? So, next one, 2 mothers and 2 daughters. They managed to catch one small fish, one big fish, one medium fish. Since only 3 fishes were there, so it is possible. So 2 mothers, 2 daughters, but each one should get one fish. So everyone should take, and there are only 3 fishes available. See, when question is regarding, okay, 3 fishes available, 3 females sufficient. It can map that. 2 mothers, 2 daughters, one granddaughter, all will be satisfied with 3 people because yeah, we can say simple like ABC logic we can keep. Okay, A is mother of B, B is say fine. A is mother of B, B is mother of C. If you go in this logic, no, so 3 females, one grandmother, one granddaughter, 2 mothers are A and B, 2 daughters are B and C, 2 daughters are B and C, one granddaughter is C, one grandmother is A, all will satisfy, 3 fishes sufficient they can take. So grandmother, mother and daughter. One question.